Imagine living in a world where the only tools you have are made of stone, bone, and wood. How would you survive? How would you express your creativity? How would you shape the world around you? This is the world of our ancient ancestors who lived hundreds of thousands of years ago. They were not Homo sapiens like us, but different species of hominins such as Homo heidelbergensis and Homo erectus. They faced many challenges and dangers, but they also had remarkable skills and intelligence. One of the most impressive examples of their ingenuity and technical prowess has been recently discovered in Zambia, where archaeologists have found the oldest known wooden structure shaped by the hands of a human ancestor. It is a pair of tree trunks notched like Lincoln logs that were preserved at the bottom of the Kalambo River for nearly 500,000 years. The Kalambo River is located on Lake Tanganyika in northern Zambia, and it is home to one of the most important archaeological sites in Africa. The site has been investigated by scientists since the 1950s, and it has yielded a wealth of information about human evolution and culture over a long span of time. The wooden artifacts from Kalambo are especially rare and valuable because wood is a perishable material that usually decays quickly in nature. But thanks to the permanently elevated water table and the clay deposits that covered them, some pieces of wood survived over hundreds of thousands of years. They offer a unique glimpse into the lives and minds of our ancient relatives. The analysis was done by luminescence dating, which involves measuring how long ago the sand grains that surrounded the wood were exposed to light. The results showed that the wooden objects belonged to three different clusters: a cut log and a tapered piece of wood dating to 324,000 years ago, a digging stick dating to 390,000 years ago, and a wooden wedge and two overlapping logs dating to 476,000 years ago. But the most intriguing and surprising find was the pair of interlocking logs that date back to 476,000 years ago. These are the oldest evidence yet of a wooden structure crafted by the hands of a human ancestor. They have no known parallels in the African or Eurasian Paleolithic. Both logs had evidence of chopping and scraping to make a notch that enabled them to snugly fit together. But what was the purpose of this structure? The researchers suggest that it could have been part of a raised platform, walkway, or foundation for dwellings. Such a structure would have been useful for living in a periodically wet floodplain where floods could pose a threat or an opportunity. The structure could also have served as a lookout point for spotting prey or predators, or as a storage place for food or tools. It could even have been a symbolic expression of identity or status, or a way of marking territory or ownership. Whatever its function was, the structure demonstrates that our ancient ancestors were capable of complex planning, problem-solving, and engineering. They were not just nomadic foragers with little technological skill as some scientists previously believed. They were intelligent beings who used resources that were available to them, and who adapted to changing environments and challenges. The discovery of the oldest wooden structure challenges our understanding of human cultural and biological evolution. It shows that woodworking might predate the emergence of our own species Homo sapiens, who appeared around 300,000 years ago. It also shows that our hominin ancestors used not only durable materials like stone and bone, but also perishable materials like wood, which are often overlooked by archaeologists. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more interesting and informative content. See you next time.